Hi, this is Tom from freebetstats.com. Welcome to my video on BetFred's current £30 free bet offer. It's actually very similar to the current Paddy Power and Betfair promotions for £30. The crux of the offer is that if you join BetFred and bet £10, you will get a £30 free bet regardless of whether your first bet wins or loses. You can see I've brought up on the screen here. On the right is the terms and conditions from the BetFred site, and on the left I've pulled out the key ones along with the numbers. So the expected profit on this one is £13, which equates to 130% ROI. You can see the min and max first bet is both £10. You have to bet £10 to get the free bet. The minimum odds for that first £10 bet is at evens or higher. The free bet amount is £30, and when that free bet token has been awarded, it will expire after 7 days if not used. The free bet must be used at minimum odds of 1 to 2 or 1.5. As with all free bets, the free bet token is not included in any returns from winnings on free bets. And finally, users who deposit using the Teller, Skrill, Moneybooker, Bookers or any other e-wallet will not be eligible for the free bet offer. The first step is to clear our cookies. This is required to ensure that when we click on the promo link we get directed to the correct promotion. To do that in Internet Explorer, I'll go to Settings and then Internet Options, Delete. Make sure that cookies and website data is checked, and then press delete and OK. In Firefox, I'll go to Settings, History, Clear Recent History, select everything from the drop down and just ensure that cookies is checked, and then Clear Now. In Chrome, I'll go to Settings, History, Clear Browsing Data. Ensure that the beginning of time is checked and cookies and other site and plugin data is checked, then clear browsing data. Once we've cleared our cookies, the next step is to sign up, make a deposit, and then bet at the bookmakers. To do this, I'm going to navigate to freebetstats.com, and then I'm going to click on BetFred, and then on Claim Your Free Bet Now, and on the Claim Now button. So you can see a registration form appears which should be filled out. Importantly, there's no promotion code for this one, so you can leave that blank. Once you've registered, a deposit screen will pop up, and it's there you can deposit £10. Once you've deposited £10, you can go ahead and click on Sport and then choose a market in there which you wish to bet on. In the final part of this video, I'm going to talk through the numbers behind this free bet. So we've said that the expected profit is £13, which equates to a return of interest of 130%. So to get these numbers, you can see I've got 4 columns here which represent 4 scenarios: win-win, win-lose, lose-win, lose-lose. These represent my initial £10 qualifying bet and then my £30 free bet. So here I'm saying that I win both of those bets. The chance of this happening is 25%. So my initial bet amount is £10. When I win, I expect the bookie to make a 10% margin on my profit, so my profit's £9. I get awarded my £30 free bet. Again, I win, but the bookie's margin is around 10%, so £27 profit. My total profit is 36, that's 27 plus 9. My weighted profit here is my total profit times by the chance of this scenario happening, so that comes to £9. The maths is the same through these other columns, and you can see that my total profit or expected profit of £13 is the sum of these 4 values here, the 4 weighted profits, and the return on investment is the expected profit divided by the initial outlay of £10. In terms of risk, I would suggest if users wish to reduce their risk, the best way of doing this is with their free bet token. Instead of just betting £30 on something, maybe chopping this into 3 bets of £10, for example. That way it will be quite difficult to make a loss. The chances are you're going to make a profit on this one because you're making 4 bets in total. Hopefully that makes sense. If anyone's got any questions, then feel free to contact me. You can go to freebetstats.com and send me an email, or get me in the chat window in freebetstats.com. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.